Hello friends, as we have completed the previous year's MA's entrance paper of Delhi University, let us today solve JNU's MA Political Science entrance paper of 2019. As always, I will also recommend you to make some notes out of it so that you can revise them later. So question number 1 is, which among the following is the critique of theory of social capital in contemporary times? And the correct option is option A, John Harris. Moving towards question number 2, good governance and participating civil society for development were stressed in the World Bank report of option A, 1992. Question number 3. Who is the author of Gulamgiri? Option A. Jyotirao Phule. Question number 4. Mill understood the liberty primarily in negative terms. So, option 4, that is option D, is correct. Question number 5. Who was the chairman of advisory committee of the Constituent Assembly of India? Option D. Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 6. My Hindu instinct tells me that all religions are more or less true, all proceeds from same God, but all imperfect because they have come to us through imperfect human instrumentality. The real Shuddhi movement should consist in each one trying to arrive at perfection in his or her own faith. Who wrote the above line? So, M.K. Gandhi. That is correct answer. Option A. Question number 7. Which among the following book is not authored by Partha Chatterjee? Sorry. So, the idea of India, it was not written by Partha Chatterjee. Later, all the three books, Lineage of Political Society, Politics of the Governed, A Possible India, was written by her. Question number 8. What was Aristotle's attitude towards slavery? So he considered it to be natural. Option D. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a reason that Mill offers in defense of the liberty of speech and expression? Option A. Difference between self-regarding and other-regarding action. It was not a reason. Question number 10. No association can last if its members do not practice justice among themselves. This idea is central to whose philosophy? So option B, Plato. Question number 10, the correct answer is option B, Plato. Question number 11, which of the following needs votes of two-third majority of total membership of both houses of parliament? So for impeachment of the president, it requires two-third majority of total membership of both the houses of parliament. Question number 12. Who among the following uses the term balance of power in four different ways? As a policy aimed at a certain state of affairs, as an actual state of affairs, as an approximately equal distribution of power, and as any distribution of power. So the correct answer here is option A, Morgenthau. So Morgenthau, option A is the correct answer. Question number 13. Which group accepted gradualness as the midwife of social change? That is Fabians. Question number 14. According to Gramsci, concept of hegemony means moral and intellectual leadership. Option A. Question number 15. A key figure in the development of pluralist theory is option B, Robert Dahl. Question number 16. Which among the following fundamental rights in the Constitution of India is available to both citizens and aliens? So, first we need to understand that which rights are not available to the aliens. Okay, so Article 15, 16, 19, 29, and 30. These rights are not available to the aliens. These are only available to the citizens. So, here the question is asking which is available to both citizen and aliens. So equality before law, article 14. So it is the correct answer. Option B is the right option. Question number 17. Hamza Alvi's analysis of the nature of state in post-colonial societies is based on which of the following countries? So option B, that is Pakistan and Bangladesh. Question number 18. Which among the following is not relevant for the federal polity in India? Option B, 243. Question number 19. The mechanistic theory of organization is also referred to as the option A, classical theory. Question number 20. What is the main function of the state according to pluralism? That is option B, coordinate and harmonize activities of all groups and associations. Question number 21. The idea of derivative discourse in Indian politics is related with option A, Partha Chatterjee. Question number 22. Which of the following would be associated with neoliberal politics? Option here will be 22, option C, that is free market, rational individuals, emphasis on home ownership. These would be associated with the neoliberal politics. Question number 23. In Orientalism, Edward Said applied whose technique of discourse analysis to the production of knowledge about the Middle East? And correct option is option A, Foucault. 24. Election to the Rajya Sabha in India follow the principle of proportional representation. Which among the following system is followed? So there are a lot of system, but correct option here will be single transferable vote system in case of India. The advocate, question number 25. The advocate of democratic peace theory is option A, Michael Doyle. 26. In comparative politics, the concept of civic culture is used for the study of option C, attitudes and participation in democracy. Question number 27. T.H. Marshall's definition of citizenship as full and equal membership in the political community, it refers to as citizenship as a status. T.H. Marshall's definition of citizenship. Moving towards question number 28. Who among the following predicted that the next world war is likely to be the conflict between the West and the rest? So the correct option here is option D, Huntington, S.P. Huntington. Who among the following advanced the notion of will of ignorance in his theory? So we know John Rawls. Option D is correct option. Question number 30. Which of the following is not an idea of individualism? So not, that is option D, taking care of individual life from cradle to grave. It is not an idea of individualism. Option D is correct answer. 31. The argument that international relations are characterized by anarchy, which makes it necessary for the states to maintain their independence and safeguard national interest, is associated with option D, realism. Question number 32. Which political theorist uses the example of a basketball player, Wilt Chamberlain, to argue against patterned principle of distributive justice? So correct option is option A, Robert Nozick. What happened? Okay, so question number 33. Freedom is the positive power or capacity of doing or enjoying something worth doing or enjoying. Who said this? We know T.H. Green. Option B is the correct option here. 34. Which of the following articles were not part of original Constitution of India? So you can say option 4, Article 300A, which was introduced by 44th, when right to property was earlier part of fundamental right under Article 31. So it was deleted by 44th Constitutional Amendment in 1978, and right to property became a new legal right under part 22 under Article 300A. So it was not part of original Constitution of India. Option 4 is the correct option. 35. Legal sovereignty in India lies with Constitution. Option D. Question number 36. The theory of prismatic society in Pabad is based on Option C, structural functional analysis of public administration in developing countries. Moving towards 37, which egalitarian theorist views would you associate with the idea of auctions, insurance schemes, and free market? So the correct option here will be option C, Ronald Dworkin. Question number 28. The national traditions as we understand them are more often invented than historically evolved. Whom do you think is the proponent of this view? Correct option is D, Etienne Balibar. 38, sorry, actually 38, the correct option will be C. I'm sorry, the 38, question number 38, the correct option is C, that is Eric Hobsbawm. Eric Hobsbawm, option C. Question number 39, which philosopher is linked to the idea of an early enlightenment preceding the 18th century? And correct option here is option C, Benedict Spinoza. 39 का C. 40, what does the phrase rule of law means? Rule of law means everyone is equal in the eyes of law, so option A is correct. 41, the redrawing of boundaries of electoral constituencies to maximize the efficiency of party support is referred to as option B, gerrymandering. It is prevalent in USA. Question number 42, for Plato a just society is one in which option B, each of class reflects the tripartite division of soul. Option B is the correct. 43, what sort of government did Hobbes support in Leviathan? Option C, absolute monarchy. Question number 44, universal breadwinner model for society has been criticized for undermining the importance of option C, care work. Question number 44, which of the following is not a feature of new public administration? Option D, measurement. It is not a feature of new public administration. Question number 46, in Republican theory of freedom, freedom is defined as the absence of option C, domination. Question number 47, in Max Weber's classification, modern government are increasingly dependent on one of the following. So 47 option, the personal charisma of rulers. Option D is the correct option here. 48, rights are those conditions of social life without which no man can seek in general to be himself at his best. Who said this? Option C, Harold Lasky has said this. Option C. 49, who among the following has the view that the functions of state appear overwhelmingly militarily and overwhelmingly geopolitical rather than economic and domestic? So the correct option here will be option A, that is Michael Mann. 50, and the last question, it is the idea of rectificatory justice is part of whose theory of justice? So option D, that is Robert Nozick is the correct option. So friends, this is it. I hope you would have liked this video. Thank you very much.